Hey yo, today AI will generate scenes from popular games. We'll start from the Night City. We will use only a few prompts for it and the picture of the game. Okay, AI already made something, I guess a city? Oh, it's a cube. Maybe it's for some effects or a borders for our scene. The position of the camera is actually insane. I would like to put it in a more proper position. And the render looks actually ugly now, and I will ask him to put more lighting. It looks better now, but it's still not a Night City. That's our final result, Night City from the AI. And the next scene is a mirage. What is AI cooking for now? Ouch. What? Ah, the steps. Okay, it looks exactly the same as the picture. We have got something new. I don't know what is it so far, so let's just go ahead. Okay, Mirage from CS3. We have got some problems. Let's start over. I hope that we will have a significantly different result now. Yes, that's the difference which I have wanted from the start. I guess that's a palace. I guess that is the final result. Let's see the camera view. Yeah, I cooked again. Let's go ahead. Let's go to the Minecraft. What is that supposed to be? Maybe trees or some kind of stone relief? We have got trees, but I still don't see the mountain. I will tell him that we don't have the mountain right now. And so far, he's cooked for me that. I will show him the result and will give him one more chance. Okay, my friend, you can do it. You were doing so well, but why did you spawn one mountain inside another? It looks much better than the first result. That's our final Minecraft landscape. It's not looking great, but see what he told to me.
Excellent. This is looking very close to the reference now. Snow-capped peak, pine forest on the slopes, trees in foreground, blue sky.
And the next what we'll recreate is a Fortnite. First, he cleans up the scene and creates some floor. It looks kinda cute to be honest, I like it. That's our final render. Let's proceed to the next scene. And the last one is GTA. The AI already changed the background and cleaned the scene. And now he will cook for us something. So far, that's definitely the best result.